business intelligence, BI, are highly sought-after skills in a variety of industries, including business, technology, and science, to tackle complex problems and seize opportunities. Take your first step in mastering analytical thinking with our Data Science and BI Masterclass. In this masterclass, you'll learn how to easily turn data into business value with just a simple drag and drop. You'll be taught data analysis methodology, how to use data analytics tools and technologies, understand how to extract useful information from complex data, and apply data analysis in the business world. Don't miss this chance to strengthen your skills and lead in a rapidly evolving business world. Join our Data Science and BI Masterclass today and become the in-demand professional you've always wanted to be. As the leading data and strategy company in Indonesia, we have been serving more than 100 clients in building their machine learning platforms and competence through corporate training, education, and research. Our team of experts has a proven track record of delivering results and helping businesses stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're an executive, professional, or just starting your journey, our masterclasses, corporate training programs, and education are designed to provide you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in the ever-evolving world of data science and business intelligence. Take your career to the next level and transform your organization with the help of Patria Co. Get in touch with us today at patria@strategycompany.com to see how we can help you grow and succeed.